The Internet of Things, IoT, is undoubtedly the most revolutionary technological advancement of the century. Smart cities, smart manufacturing facilities, digital twins, and many other use cases of IoT have transformed conventional systems and changed all of our lives. That's not all. The global IoT market size is expected to grow by 20 to 25% every year in the upcoming years. As the IoT market grows to massive scales and the number of connected IoT devices increases, organizations will need a lot more certified IoT professionals to support their IoT initiatives. What are the important skills required for an IoT professional, you ask? The foremost trait of an IoT professional is the holistic understanding of IoT use cases from the viewpoint of users and businesses. You must also develop key skills to bring new ideas and designs for IoT applications and stay updated with the latest technology trends in IoT, such as the integration of AI and blockchain. Want to join the IoT revolution? The Certified IoT Professional Certification Program on 101 Blockchains is the world's only skill-oriented educational resource that helps you build your IoT expertise to accommodate today's job market. 101 Blockchain Certification focuses on the practical implications of IoT by explaining the details of the tech stack required in developing IoT solutions, as well as guiding you regarding the best practices for IoT implementation in business use cases. Enroll now in the IoT certification on 101 Blockchains and find your ideal career path in the domain of IoT.